Hi Farai, sorry this has taken a while to get back to you. This is just a first pass. Obviously you know how the system works, I don't need to explain too much. It's just a case of making sure I've got your ideas from your PowerPoint suggestions. So the basic layout is long shelves cut to size. The brackets obviously will be aligned with the verticals, you know that. A tool holder, which this can be mounted on verticals or straight to the plasterboard. It saves quite a bit of money if you mount it to the plasterboards if there isn't any need to have any further structure around it. But obviously if you wanted more than one, or indeed you wanted a pegboard or a pinboard, the Elfa twin slot boards, then it starts to make sense to have that additional structure around it. Doesn't matter which side these go, left or right. Your PowerPoint shows some back of door organisation products. These are available in the mesh finish or the wire finish. They look good mixed up as well, so I can see you've got both on your reference material. 3 different sizes, 2 different finishes. So this is just a first pass. If you want to have less hanging and have some of these sort of more shelves or basket shelves on there, then please just let me know and we'll get this turned around quite quickly from here. Okay, speak soon. Bye bye.